Welcome back to HVAC Shop Talk. On today's video, we're going to be testing several different VCRT tools against 400 pounds of pressure. And I'm going to submerge them in a water bath so we can see any bubbles that appear, proving that the tool has failed. I have 5 different tools we're going to test: HVAC, Hillmore, Amazon, Appian. Sorry about that. There's 5 different tools that we're going to test. Let's just get off and running, and then I'll brief you guys on the opposite side of this video. So I have my trusty nitrogen tank right there, and I have a contraption I built consisting of a T, a Z manifold gauge, and we're pumping it up to 400 PSI. This is the first of the valve core removers. This is the HVAC. The bubbles you see are just coming out of the gauge itself. It's not actually coming out as a leak. But as you can see, my yellow jacket hose does leak. It is very old, but the actual valve core remover does not. So there's our first thumbs up right there. Our second valve core remover takes a bath. This is the Refco. You can tell because it's silver there. It looks freakishly different than all the other ones. But again, the bubbles coming out of the gauge are just from the gauge internals. It's not from in the actual system that we're creating there. 5 minutes, still good. Refco does not leak. Everything else seems to, but the Refco does not leak. This is the Amazon $20 VCRT. We're going to put it in there as well. I thought it was really important to see how this one does, since it is literally a no-name brand. That's $20. 5 minutes has elapsed again, and we're going to see if this one leaked. And I was surprised to see that no, actually this one does not leak either. Surprise, surprise. The next VCRT is the Hillmore. We're pumping it up, putting it in there too. It's about 2 or 3 inches of water. Want to give them 5 minutes just so you have to sit there with that pressure on them. The Hillmore is a relatively new one. It costs more than a lot of the other ones too. I think it's like 65 bucks. But after 5 minutes, the Hillmore does not leak either. So it does a good job. Any bubbles you see are coming from either the gauge or the yellow jacket hose right there. Last but not least is my favorite, the Appian. It goes into the bath too. Everything else has been good so far. There's no leaks on the actual valve core removers, not where the valve handle's at. After 5 minutes, we're looking at the Appian. And as you might suspect already, the Appian was good to go. No leaks on the Appian either. So as you guys can see, it was a tie. Every single tool held pressure for 5 minutes, including the Amazon tool. I feel like I should be harder on these tools. Perhaps I should chuck them into oncoming traffic, put them in the oven like I did the multimeters. Put any suggestions you guys have in the comments. The next trial or tribulation, depending on how you look at it, I'm going to put these things through, is just doing their job, removing cores. We're going to see which one does the best job, which one grips the core and takes it out the easiest. Just keep it real simple. See if any one of these is better than the other ones. Of course, there are some natural advantages, like the HVAC can do 5/16 and a 1/4 inch. With Appian, you have to buy 2 different tools. So you have to keep that in mind. We'll go over some of the costs coming up and compare how they remove cores. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I will see you on the next one.